For this week's walk around, we have one of the most unique trailers that we've looked at yet. This is an 18-foot CC 6-inch channel equipment hauler. Now, most of our trailers are built with a few options, but this one takes it to a whole new level. Right up front, we have a 2 5/16 square tube, 30,000-pound load leveling coupler. At the top of this riser in the rear, we have a full-width toolbox that's perfect for stashing tie-downs and other essential gear. Now, we also have a divided front toolbox with individual doors and top-mounted holes to accept a winch. You can also see that we chose the floor out the top of the neck with a diamond plate and add in another spare tire location on the underside. For our running gear, we have two 8K Dexter oil bath axles and upgraded black spoke wheels that really complement the Blackwood Classic decking. We've also added diamond plate running boards, diamond plate on the fenders, and removable 2 3/8 inch pop top side rails in front of the fenders. This trailer's finished out with a 3.5-foot dovetail and 2 of our car hauler monster ramps, which are covered in diamond plate. This makes loading vehicles with small wheels much easier. For more information on this trailer, check out the link in our description, as well as go to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.